Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're uncovering the incredible benefits of a tropical superfruit, papaya. From its vibrant color to its sweet taste, papaya is more than just a delicious snack. Stick around as we reveal 10 powerful reasons why you should start eating papaya today. Let's kick things off with why papaya is a nutritional powerhouse. First, it's rich in vitamin C. Just one small papaya can give you over 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. That's more than an orange. Vitamin C boosts your immune system and helps your body fight off infections. Next, it's loaded with antioxidants. Papaya is packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene, which help protect your cells from damage and keep your skin looking youthful. Papaya isn't just about vitamins, it's also a friend to your digestive system and can even help with weight management. It aids digestion. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain that helps break down proteins, making digestion smoother and reducing bloating. Plus, it's low in calories and high in fiber. With only about 60 calories per cup and a healthy dose of fiber, papaya is a great choice if you're watching your weight. It keeps you full longer, curbing those snack cravings. Next up, let's talk about how papaya supports your heart and fights inflammation. The antioxidants, fiber, and potassium in papaya all contribute to a healthy heart. Potassium helps manage blood pressure, while fiber lowers cholesterol levels. Papaya is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds like flavonoids and choline, which can help reduce chronic inflammation, a root cause of many diseases. But that's not all. Papaya is also amazing for your skin, hair, and eyes. The vitamin C and lycopene in papaya can help reduce signs of aging, like wrinkles and fine lines. Plus, papaya's enzymes can be used as a natural exfoliant, leaving your skin smooth and glowing. Rich in folic acid and other vitamins, papaya supports hair growth and scalp health, giving you shiny, strong locks. Papaya is loaded with vitamin A and beta-carotene, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy vision and preventing age-related macular degeneration. Finally, let's wrap it up with one more reason to love papaya: its immune-boosting powers. The combination of vitamins A, C, and E in papaya gives your immune system a strong boost, helping you stay healthy and fight off colds and infections. And there you have it, 10 powerful reasons to start eating papaya. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, protect your heart, or just enjoy glowing skin, papaya is the fruit for you. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up this tropical treasure. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more health tips and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.